ukuyisho anything okhalela ukuyenza bafethu that's it Riziki bafethu we got it covered bafethu bafethu baba West baba akahamba yona baba West lele uhosto yini show yami sikhatsani endaweni yami ngiyangithola so baba West amtshele baba West mangathi inkinga le
vele kuzoba inkinga mfethu ngoba manje wena singene emabhokotini wami yabo futhi angakangeni abantu abangihamba kanjani kuzofulala futhi abangibambi ngale ndlela
bafethu ngoba setriziki lana bafethu awusasinyi batla ubhatala la bafethu mawungamoshi bafethu angazi uzomoshelwa abantu bafethu because we got it covered bafethu abo baba West banama talent amaningi ama hidden talent so baba West awungitshele what is your talent baba West
talent yami mfethu njengoba ngibona ukuthi njengoba sengiyekela uganga yabo mfethu athi ngi-advise abantu ngezinto ezigrand uyangithola abantu bacubeke impilo ezigrand ingcosi ezincane sikwazi ukukhula ngendlela egrand yabo singakhuli nje ngathi uyangithola enjalo ukuthi ingcosi sivayize esigela zekela umphando unyana ubamba impilo la ekhaya
so guys the question was yini talent la kababa West so italent la kababa West italent ukunceda incuzi une talent lokunceda abantwana angazi bafana mthembe nina niyazi ukuthi khona umuntu one talent lokunceda abantwana mhlambe it is true maybe it's not true but you will hit the like you will subscribe right there bafethu niyazi we got it covered bafethu eksene mina ebusuku ntambama bafethu nani niyazi bafethu mangiphethe baba West nanoma singajike east nanoma singajike north nanoma singajike south nanoma singajika ebafethu we got it covered yonke indawo bafethu so baba West bengisacela ukubuza baba West how many provinces do we have in Gauteng baba West
9 provinces
we got it covered bafethu into zakhona bafethu ushukela etiyeni so ubaba West mangimbiza ukuthi how many provinces we have in Gauteng but we have 9 provinces in Gauteng bafethu so eGauteng sina 9 provinces bafethu we got it covered bafethu there's no wrong or right answer bafethu but mina ngokubona kwami iGauteng iprovince ngokwayo so angazi ukuthi ayidali aba province waseGauteng aphumaphi but ngoba ngiphethe baba West ushukela etiyeni bafethu okurong ku-right ngizojazemba bafethu ngoba siphumezona shayeza phansi kwamanzi bafethu shayeza ngashaywa bafethu so baba West ngicela ukubuza yokugcina baba West so baba West lana iquestion ithi kune one room house ependwe green yonke indawo amakhala owama stepisi anjani what color of the stairs of a green house painted one room painted house
color vele obviously soba one yangithola because obviously green yangithola house
so sine one room ipendiwe yonke indawo igreen one room ama stepis angaphakathi kwe one room anjani
maybe ngaba white yangithola
maybe white maybe green
Yakosi
yabo bafethu ngoba semzotsha bafethu yonke into akho right sozongitshela kusasa bafethu ukuthi ubaba West bafethu use west use north use south use east asazi bafethu nani nizongitshela bafethu because ushukela etiyeni bafethu we got it covered baba West ngicela ukubuza question yokugcina between iqanda nenkukhu yife vele kuqala iqanda elivele kuqala kunenkukhu
ngoba uze kuthi inkukhu izophuma kumele kube neqanda yangithola
okay we got it covered bafethu we got a lot bafethu we'll never know bafethu the right answers sophiwa yini bafethu because nani niyazwela bafethu mina mangimtshela ubaba West kuyoba ngathi ngiyamsukela guys you will hit the like, you will subscribe bafethu. Nisazongitshela okuningi, sazongitshela ukuthi nizobe nisiphatheleni bafethu. Ngoba nina bafethu, ngikholwa ngokubonana nabo Thomas bafethu, angazi nizobe nithini. Ubaba West bafethu, angasibonisa ukuthi udume ngani ubaba West, the stage is yours.
Oh la, danko bafethu ya, njengoba ningibona bafethu ngoba West mfethu. Domekazi mfethu balazi igama lami ukuthi sewuthi semahlangeni ngiyakuzwana. Noma yini ngiyamthola bafethu. Into zami lezi zinto engazo bafethu yabo, bakuphakamisa ngazo izinto mfethu yabo. Awumuntu indoda ngempela mfethu, noma ngiyayenza namanje mfethu, abantu ukuthi delight mfethu yabo. Ngoba ngithukanga kusemahlangeni akukhuzwa. Danko.
Anjalo bafethu, we are going to call it a rap bafethu, because besiphethe ubaba West bafethu. Niyazi bafethu, we got it covered bafethu. Sesitrateni, it's always our street quiz bafethu. Uyazi bafethu, akekho wrong, akekho right, senza konke bafethu kulungile. Baba West. Hayi bo.
Akebe emahlangeni bafethu akukhuzwana. Spirit.
So Baba West, last question. Ngicela ukubuze ukugcina, ngakubuze ukugcina i-question.
Angabuza njaya.
Last question Baba West.
Danko namanje.
What do you call ishebo in English?
Ishebo mithi.